How to search for older emails on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mailboxes. Go to the iCloud section and tap on Bin. You can view all your deleted emails over here. Go to the search bar at the bottom and type in the day or the month's emails that you're looking for. Once you find the email that you're looking for in the results, tap to open it. Or, you can also choose the date from the suggestions below. You can find all the mails over here. After that, go back to the bin page. If you want to filter these emails, then tap on the filter icon at the bottom left. Tap on it again. You can choose a filter from here. For example, flagged. And then, tap on the tick icon. Following these steps, you can easily search for older emails on iPhone.